In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a student checklist in Google Sheets, a practical tool for teachers looking to efficiently manage and organize student data. Google Sheets is a versatile platform that offers vast capabilities, and today we'll be focusing on creating a checklist that's both functional and visually engaging. To start, open Google Sheets. You can easily do this by navigating to sheets.google.com and clicking on blank to create a new spreadsheet. Once your new sheet is open, click on any cell to select it, which will serve as our starting point for this tutorial. It's crucial to understand that Google Sheets allows you to structure data effectively, providing a clear layout for your checklist. Next, highlight cells from A1 to G1 by clicking and dragging your mouse from the beginning to the end of the row. The reason we're focusing on these cells is to prepare the space for the title of your checklist. After highlighting these cells, click the Merge Cells icon found in the toolbar. Merging cells across this row allows for a larger area to accommodate the title of your checklist, making it more prominent. Once your cells are merged, click the Align Center button, also located in the toolbar. Center aligning helps your title appear neat and visually balanced. Now, type in the title Student Checklist into the merged cell. To make the title stand out, format the cell by making the text bold. You can do this by clicking the B icon in the toolbar. To add a splash of color, click on the Fill Color icon and choose a background color for your title cell. Similarly, you can click Font Color to adjust the text color to something that contrasts well with your selected fill color, ensuring readability. Then adjust the font size to size 14 to make the title bold and clear. Next, click on cell A2. In the following cells, input category titles for your checklist. Name in A2, Quiz in B2, and continue with Long Test, Recitation, Project, Practical, and Periodical Exam in subsequent cells across the row. Highlight this range from A2 to G2. Then, to enhance visual structure, click on the text rotation icon and select Rotate Up. This will neatly display the column headers in a vertical format, saving space. After rotating, highlight the area from A2 to G9 to cover potential data entry for students' scores. Click on the Borders icon and select All Borders. This action gives your checklist a clean, professional look by defining each cell clearly. Now, highlight A2 to G2 again and use the Fill Color icon to pick a header color that matches or complements your title background. Finally, click on cell A3, and here, input the names of your students. This will populate your checklist, ready for data entry of student performance metrics. By following these steps, you've created a structured and visually engaging student checklist in Google Sheets. This tool can help you streamline classroom management and maintain organized records efficiently.